8 years ago, when I started as a freelance developer, I had no idea about how to scope or deliver a project independently. But over time, and through working with clients across different industries and geographies, I realized something. It is not just about the tech, it is about understanding the people, processes, and outcomes. Since then, I have built and refined a system, a step by step process that runs through every project that I take on. This video is relevant for two types of people. First are the business owners and key decision makers in the companies who are looking for AI integration. And the second are the people wanting to start in the space. It's like a guide on how to go about the entire process of custom AI development. In this video, we will be covering everything that happens in the discovery call and the process of taking the communication further, the proposals, payments, and finally an overview of how I fulfill the delivery. But before that, if you are new here, hi, my name is Mohit Minal, a developer turned AI consultant and content creator. I consult and build custom AI agents and AI automation for businesses. I share my insights and tutorials here on YouTube. So if this is something of your interest, consider subscribing. Let's get in. Everything starts when I get this notification. Someone booked a call with me. I already asked a couple of questions, like what are they looking for, where did they find me, and about their website or LinkedIn, so I can do my research before the call. This research mostly ends up in one of these two buckets. Either I fully understand what they are looking for based on their answers, my research, and previous experience, or I come up with my own set of questions that help me understand their business better. Selling AI solutions is one thing, but building a custom one is another. Until I am able to mix what they do with what I do, I don't call myself ready for the project. And this is where listening comes into play. You can't solve what you don't hear. Talk less, listen more. Every discovery call conversation takes its own turn based on their geography, seniority, and familiarity with AI. I also often find them asking the difference between AI agents and AI automation that I explained in details in this previous video of mine. I'll also include this at the end of this video so you can watch it next. The goal of the discovery calls is to answer one single question. What do they need? Not the AI, but in terms of business outcome. It usually happens that businesses have one particular solution in mind, but there is always something better that might suit their desired business outcome better. 90% of my discovery call ends up with a tentative directional consensus, which helps me build my proposal. There are mainly four parts of my proposal. First, the flowchart of the logic or the system. Second, a detailed explanation of the scope of work and explaining how this flowchart works. Third, tentative monthly running cost in terms of the usage and subscriptions required. And finally, some assumptions and timelines. This 2 or 3 page document becomes the basis of our further discussions over the email. It could be about the scope of work, clarifications on the after sale support, pricing sometimes, and the next steps. As of today, while making this video, I currently work on a setup fee model and do not charge monthly retainers. So it is a straightforward 50% advance, then build and deliver, rest of the payment process that follows. I hope this was helpful. And if you are watching this video after booking a discovery call with me, I am excited to see you and learn more about your business. AI will do wonders to your company, but before that, the universe wants us to have a chit chat. See you soon. For others, if you are looking to get a custom AI solution built for your business, you can check out my website and go through my case studies for more information. And then you can book a discovery call with me using the link on the website or from the description. You can also email me directly at hi@mohitmrinal.com or connect with me over my LinkedIn, where I post AI insights regularly. You will find all the links in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. More insights, walkthroughs, and tutorial videos are coming soon.